How to turn on or off daily time reminder on Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off daily time reminder on your Facebook app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook. Now click on those three lines up there and click on the setting icon beside the search icon. Now scroll down and click on your time on Facebook. Now click on manage your time, see tools. Now scroll down and you have the last option, which is daily time reminder, to get a reminder after you are used Facebook for the amount of time you choose. Now turn on and choose like the time, how choose time you want to get a daily reminder after you spend that time. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.